Learn how you can create sketch notes like these that look handmade, all by using Gemini for free. In the description below, you'll find a Notion page with the prompts you need. Start by copying the first prompt, then paste it into Gemini. Enter your topic, in my case, it's AI, then add your audience details, like 15 years old. Make sure to switch to thinking mode for better research, and hit generate. Take a moment to verify the information. If it matches your preferences, you're ready to move forward. Next, copy the second prompt and paste it into Gemini. Make sure to enable Create Images. This might take a few moments. Gemini will generate a detailed sketch note for you. Now here's the thing. If you use the same prompt repeatedly, you'll get the same style of images. But what if you want different styles? Head over to ChatGPT, paste the original prompt, and ask it to generate more prompts for creating sketch notes in different styles. You can even specify your preferred style or colors. This way, you can generate minimalistic, bold, playful, academic, or high-energy sketch notes. Let's try this playful doodle style. Honestly, this is beautiful. You can even change the aspect ratio to 9:16 if you want a vertical image. And here it is, the vertical image is ready. It's looking fantastic. Now, let's say you have a video that you want to turn into a sketch note. Choose your video and copy its link. Then in Gemini, ask it to summarize the video and paste the link. Since Gemini is connected to YouTube, it will provide you with a summary of the video. Then simply use one of your prompts and generate the sketch note. And there it is, the sketch note is ready. If you've watched that video, you'll see this is perfectly accurate. That's it. Subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials.